so today's video, you see, it's kind of different. So today I'm using the fisheye lens. So tell me guys if y'all like it. Today's video is with my bird, Angie. She's kind of a crazy one, as I say. How do you feel on Angie Demon? Because I can.
What is it?
A video about Angie.
Where is this going?
On YouTube.
Are you sure? Tangie, she's a
As I say, Tangie is a pain in the butt. Basically, she basically hates me sometimes. And yeah, I'm just kind of over it, guys. So I don't really know what the video on. But she reminded me of a day in the life on a school day. But I don't know if my teachers will approve of that. So I bet that's not happening. But yeah, guys, I do a house